Andersen.
What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel Andersen, and welcome to a quick 5-minute update on what's going on behind the scenes. Shout out to you if you're an OG of the channel, you recognize this hat. I forgot this hat even existed in my collection, but I've had this thing for like 30 years. As long as I've been alive. No, I'm just kidding. I'm 34 years old, but I've had this hat forever. If you recognize it, it means you've been around for a long time on the channel, and I appreciate you. Much respect. Today's video, we're just gonna dive in. I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown of what's going on behind the scenes on all the different cars and what I have planned for this week and, you know, a little bit beyond that. So let's just get into it. All right, the 190. I'm in the process of Benzin on a Budget episode 11. Hood is off. That's your sneak peek for that. Reason being is I wanted more access to this whole cowl area. I'm doing obviously the rust correction on it, conversion, and we're doing a lot of wiring deleting and all that stuff. This is going to be gone. A bunch of that's going to be gone. So we're, you know, taking care of that, and it was just a lot easier getting the hood off to do it. So other things, if you didn't already see, we got the carbon mirrors, we got the door cards in, and I'm still figuring out what I'm doing with, you know, certain pieces. Like this is our trim that I just have like kind of coated right now that I'm deciding what I want to do with it. I could do, you know, like a plastic or carbon or something like that, but that's the process for that. Valve cover is being prepped, I guess you want to call it, for paint because the motor is still waiting. M111 sitting here just chilling, and that's what's going on with the 190E. Now it's dark outside, but I'll open the garage and still show you guys and give you a few updates on each of the cars chilling outside. All right, C36 is sitting in front of the garage because that's next to get into the garage. This is coming in next because I need to do some maintenance on it. It's something that I've kind of procrastinated on because I'd rather just manual swap it rather than do this, but I need to do the flex disc on the drive shafts, front and rear. And while I'm in there, I'll service automatic, etc. Still in really good shape, so I want to take care of it. It's a nice automatic that they put in this thing. It's like basically what they used all the way up for the M120s, so it was beefed up for the C36, and it's a good trans. So I want to keep it in good shape, even if we are going to take it out within a year or so to put the 5-speed in. Yeah, I'm going to service that. So that's going to happen this week. You'll probably see a video for that, maybe Wednesday or Friday, depending on when I get time to do it and get it done. C43 has been hanging out, daily duties. The only thing I really want to do to it that I've been hesitant on diving into, just because there was a possibility I was thinking about selling it. I still may in the future, but I would like to rebuild the intake manifold on it. I'd probably end up picking up one from the junkyard and just rebuilding that so I can just swap it in quickly when I'm ready to. And then I'll clean out the injectors, do all that stuff while I'm in there, and then that's pretty much it. Everything else drivetrain wise on this thing is in really good shape and has been serviced, so it's a very fresh car, drives great, and is in great shape. So all right, now we're venturing into the abyss, so I'm bringing my lightsaber with us. But C55, unfortunately guys, I've been taking this thing for a drive and I've been wanting to put a video out on it, but it just hasn't been running right yet. From all the recent mods, I've been having issues where the car is just running way too rich at idle and basically like at low throttle. So when I try to drive it around, if I dig into it, you know, take it for a good rip, it you know, leans out just fine. Like it goes to zeros on short-term fuel trims. But if I just cruise it around, it's like stuck at -25 short-term fuel trims. And if you know what that means, it's just super, super rich. So it literally died coming into the driveway because it's just getting bogged out with fuel. And that's like the second time it's happened. So me and Josh are trying to sort through it, trying to figure out what's going on. And hopefully I'll have an update soon on that. So yeah, CLK, I've been driving it, making sure it's good with the fixed upper pulley. I'll give you all my thoughts on that in a video coming this week when I get time to record some in-car footage driving it and showing you guys how it feels. It's an absolute rocket ship. It already was, but with the fixed pulley, it's like, it's crazy. It added probably a pound and a half of boost, and it was already making like 11, 12 pounds and was just a ripper. Now it's probably closer to that 13, 14 range, maybe a little more. I'll have to look on the videos once I actually take it for a proper rip and see where the boost pegs at. But that brings us to our old reliable. I didn't record videos on this, but when I went to pick up a gearbox earlier this week, we were on the highway and ended up hitting, I don't know what it was, a piece of metal or something, blew out the back rear tire. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, you guys saw me posting some funny videos about that, claiming that I put the drag pack on it because I put the skinny rear tire. But no, it was just a bad situation that luckily we got out of okay. I had to call State Patrol and they had to block me to let me change a tire because I was in a really sketchy spot on the highway and would have been risking my life trying to change it without some help. So yeah, shout out to the bike officer that came over and helped me block off traffic so I could change a tire safely. So that's all good. I got 2 brand new tires in the back, so it's all fresh on all 4 tires now. So that's what's up with this thing. It's been sitting around waiting for just general service, spark plugs. I'm gonna redo the valve cover gaskets and paint the valve covers while they're out, and then probably do transmission filter and just fluid. So that's it. It's just been doing daily duty. So first off, shout out to my wife for giving the idea for this video, because she always tells me, just give them like a 5-minute update when I don't have a video ready for you guys. And I'm like, no, like nobody wants to see that. But at the same time, I know you guys enjoy seeing behind the scenes stuff, and just getting a quick update like this hopefully will at least help you guys stay in the loop and not be curious about like what's going on, what's coming up next, etc. So that said, that is pretty much our 5-minute wrap up right there. Hopefully give or take a few. And yeah, this is a good one. If you guys have questions, comment down below. For YouTube algorithm purposes, leave a like, subscribe if you guys are not already, though I'm sure if you're watching this, you're a subscriber. So appreciate you guys, and I will catch you guys soon this week. Also, let me know, should we do a live? It's been a while since we did our last live, and they always end up being pretty fun actually, because it's like, you know, live interaction. That's why they're a popular thing. So let me know if you guys would like to do that, maybe this week, like Thursday, Saturday, something like that. And we'll try to schedule it. So drop in the comments, what you guys been doing with your cars, and if you got anything you're curious about that's going on in the channel, let me know. Catch you on the next one. Peace.